Have you ever bought a new phone and got stuck at very first step because you don't have a Gmail account? Or maybe you already have a Gmail account but want to create another for work, gaming, YouTube, or just to keep things organized? Well, you are at the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to create a brand new Gmail account. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. If your phone is completely new and you have not added any Gmail account yet, simply open the Gmail app. Once you open it, you will see the option to add an account or a plus icon. Tap on it and you will reach the account setup screen. It's easy, right? Now, if you are using an old phone and already have one or more Gmail accounts, don't worry, the process is almost identical. Open the Gmail app, then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Add Another Account. And that is it. You will now see the same setup screen as someone using a brand new phone. From here, both methods are exactly the same. Now you will see different account options, but since we are creating a Gmail account, just tap on Google. Your phone may ask you to verify your identity using fingerprint, PIN, password or pattern lock. This is just a security check, so go ahead and verify yourself. After a few seconds, you will reach the Google sign-in page. Now instead of signing up, tap on Create Account at the bottom. Then choose For My Personal Use. Now it's time to enter your details. Type your first name and last name, whatever you want your Google account to be associated with. Then tap on Next. Now enter your date of birth and choose your gender. I recommended using your real birthday because it helps with account recovery and future verification if you ever forget your password. Once you are done, tap on Next. Now choose your email address. This is the part before @gmail.com. For example, if you want something like johnsmith@gmail.com, simply type John Smith. Then tap on Next. If Google says the address is already taken, don't panic. Just add a few numbers, your birth year, initials or another word until you find one that's available. Keep trying and you will get one in just few seconds. Now create a password. Don't make it something easy like 123456 or password. Instead, use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, special symbols. A strong password keeps your Gmail account safe from hackers. Once you have created it, tap on Next. And congratulations, your new Gmail address is now ready. Before moving on, make sure you remember it or write it down somewhere safe. Also remember your password or write somewhere. You will need both whenever you sign in on another phone or computer. Now tap on Next. Google will now show you its privacy policy and terms of service. Scroll all the way to bottom and tap on I agree. Give it a few seconds while Google finishes setting everything up. And you are done. If this is your first Gmail account, it will open automatically. If you already had other Gmail accounts, simply tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now you will see your brand new Gmail account listed there. Select it and you will notice that the inbox is empty, which is completely normal because it's a brand new account, and that's it, you have successfully created a new Gmail account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.